in all of our 21 cowpeas that we planted and 19 at the school garden, of which we have picked a few pods from the school garden. But this is what we got. If we needed to actually survive on these Ozark Razorback cowpeas, at least here in the summer of 2022, in the low desert of Arizona, we would have starved. Cowpeas were definitely good for ground cover and attracting the aphids away from other plants. So it's definitely a mixed bag. I would love to hear from you if you've had a similar experience or if your experience was entirely different. Please add a comment below. You can always try next year. Half a cup? Thanks for watching.